Morning folks, started day 4. It was a cold night last night, but we're alright. We got some good star photos last night hopefully, and yeah, now we're both 2 up on the DR. First time we've done this, it's a bit tight. This morning we had some porridge and a coffee, which is alright. Now we've just got a wee half an hour ride up to Milford Sound. That's why we're just taking the one bike and coming back here later on. Henley's hanging on for dear life, but it's better than taking 2 bikes and wasting fuel. So I'll speak to you further up.
Daniel having a pee.
Check this out.
Look at the waterfalls over there, Dan.
See, when we come back through, we'll stop there and get some pictures. Well folks, we've just pulled into Milford Sound. That was a sketchy as ride. Ugh. Check this place out. Over here. Look at this. That's where we're going over there on a cruise ship. So folks, we've just been to Milford Sound. Went on a wee cruise, a juicy cruise, which was quite good. Had some lunch. Just got to head back to the campsite now. So we've only got another 40 k's and that's it for the day. It's 20 to 2 at the moment, so it won't be a long day today, but we're going to stop and get quite a few pictures on the way back. So it's bloody warm in the sun, but in the shade it's still pretty cold. So I think it might be a cold night tonight, although it might be more clearer for star photography. We'll see. Anyway, speak to you further up the road.
Here we stand, the world awaits. We'll let the stars tonight light the way. Hand in hand, through light or rain. It's your constant love that gives me strength. Under the starlight, we'll find our way, I know. This is the start of something beautiful. With you by my side, there's no place that we can't go.
Eh? Oh my god. This is not good. Like, the DR is not happy right now.
This is the start of something beautiful. When the wind moves along your face, it captures everything I long to say.
So folks, we're just waiting on the tunnel. The tunnel goes right through the middle of that big hill there. Mountain, yeah. So every, what says wait 5 minutes here. It's only one way. It is pretty sketchy and it's really steep. That hill switchback there was really steep. How unbelievably beautiful is this though? I've never seen anything like it. The old DR struggling on these hills though. But she's made it.
Prepare to go. Turn lights on. Drive safely.
Here we go.
Oh god, I don't like that feeling.
Dodgy, dodgy as.
Steady on. Can you see?
No. This DR headlight is utter useless.
Eh?
This headlight in the DR is shit. I'm just sticking to the middle of that car in front. I can see the sky.
Remember and put your indicator on before we come out of the other end. You want it to stop and get pictures in mind.
Yeah.
Careful.
Yeah.
just gravel. Just point down the way if you can.
The DR made it up the hill. That is a total mission, that hill. Ugh. This is the other side of the hill. That's unbelievable. Gonna stop, get some pictures and head back on the road.
So don't look back, love, and don't you wait. Just say you'll run with me, come what may. Under the starlight, we'll find our way. I know this is the start of something beautiful. With you by my side, there's no place that we can't go. 'Cause this is the start of something beautiful. Something beautiful.
So folks, this is back at camp now. It's a lot quieter here today. It's the end of the public holidays now though. We're just going to go away for a hike. Or a walk even. It is a bit colder today though, it's going to be cold tonight. But clear skies, so we might even get some frost tomorrow. Tip for next time, bring your own toilet roll. Because that stuff in there, not very nice. Anyway, I'll speak to you later. And we'll see what we're going to cook for tea. This is the first place we've been today without anybody else being here. Pretty cool, eh? So folks, we're just back from our hike. It's just gone past 5 o'clock there. I'm just going to start making tea tonight. It's Heinz Hearty Soup Beef Hot Pot and a couple of rolls. And then for pudding, we've got some maple syrup breakfast bars. So we're going to call that an end of day 4. Tomorrow we're heading to Queenstown and possibly further. But heading to Queenstown to start with, so we'll see you all in the morning.
It's your love